Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into how to create a metallic dustbin in Blender. So let's get started. Firstly, let me enable my screencast keys. You don't have to do it, but whenever now I will I will press any kind of a key, it should be available on the left hand side corner. So I have this cube. I will just press on X. Here you can see it is available. Just press on X, delete this. Okay, then first thing we will do is add mesh cylinder, and then we will just click on cylinder, change the vertices to 24, select cap type fill to nothing, then just go to edit mode. Here select this edge mode, and here I will just select the bottom one, so this one is selected. Before that, I'll just go back to object mode. I'll just select this again. I'll click on X dimension, and I'll just move it little bit up. Okay, then again I'll just go back to edit mode. Make sure you select the edge mode, and here you select the bottom edge. Press S, move it inside. Now this looks okay to me. Once you do that, you will have to add a loop cut at center. Just add a loop cut, and here I'll just change the number of cuts to, I don't know, 10 looks okay to me. Then we have to select all the faces. I'll just come back over here. I'll just zoom in a little. Okay, and I need to get rid of my loop cut, so I'll just press this. Now what I'll do is I'll just click on this. I'll click on this. Okay, and then I'll just select everything. So we are inside wireframe mode, so that the selection becomes easy. And here you can see it has selected this part, the bottom part as well, which I don't want. So I'll just deselect this. Just press shift, and with the help of your mouse you can deselect it. Okay, I'll just go back to face mode. Okay, so something like this. I think it has not selected the top part as well, so I think I'll just try it once more. Just make sure you're inside the face mode, and something like this looks okay to me. Okay, again it has selected the bottom face, which I don't want. Just deselect it. And here you can see it was not selected, so I have selected this bottom part as well. Go to face, poke faces. Once that is done, you can just select this particular edge, and again I'll just go back to solid mode. I will just disable the wireframe mode completely. Now select any of the two slanting edges. I'll just select this one, and I'll select this one. Now you have selected this, just press shift G, length. Okay, now here you can see it has meshed up all this stuff, because I don't want all this this faces to be selected. I only want this edge to be selected. So I'll just what I can do is, okay, I can just go to face mode. Okay, this is not working. Let's go back. Just go back to edge mode again. Now this might be little bit of work which we have to do, but yeah, I think it's fine. So I'll just I don't know if there must be some shortcut to deselect this in one go, but I don't know. I mean, if I go to wireframe mode, all this selected will be gone. Again, I'm just a beginner in Blender, that's why just bear with me. I mean, most of you watching this video might also be beginner, but yeah, there must be some way to select it in one go. I mean double clicking it will just mess things up. That's why I'm not double clicking it. And make sure you press shift as well. Okay, now I'll just deselect this particular part as well. Okay, this, sorry, just do this. So hopefully you got the point. That's what I'm doing over here. Okay guys, so this looks pretty okay to me. So yeah, something like this we wanted. Once we do that, we just do command I, and here you can see it has selected this particular part. Now again we'll have to do the same thing. We don't want this top face and bottom face, so again I'll just deselect it by pressing shift. Okay, so now we also need to deselect this particular vertical lines as well. We don't want this. Same at the top also I will do, and I'll, yeah, again this will take a little bit of time, sorry about this. Okay, so we are done with this. Then we just do command X to dissolve. So command X, and here you can see it has been dissolved. Now we will select a long slanting edge. Again, make sure you are inside the edge mode. Select any of this long slanting edge, double click on it to select as long as possible. Once that is done, we just again have to do shift G, length, and then we just insert the faces I, so press I twice and just insert it little bit in, and here you can see it will look something like this. Then just do X, delete faces. So yeah, this is done. Then scroll at the bottom and just select all this particular part, and then just do ES. Okay, just move it little bit inside, then do EZ and move it up, then again do ES. Okay, and then just do not F, sorry, shift F, sorry, not shift F, command F, and just do grid fill, and here you can see it will look like this. Now if you want, you can just do a command B as well. Sorry, not over here, just select this particular edge. Okay, command B, and add a bevel over here, something like this looks okay. Add a bevel for this particular thing as well, a small one, not a big one. Yeah, and one for this as well. Okay, this is not getting selected. This is fine. If you want, you can add a bevel. Same at the top, select the top one, then ES, move it outside. So yeah, something like this. Then EZ, move it up. Okay, then I do command B. Okay, so something like this is fine. Then if you want, you can add a loop cut over here as well, round one. So yeah, this looks okay to me. Now what we will do, just go back to object mode, click on this banner, click add modifier. First click on solidify. You can change the thickness to whatever you feel like. This looks okay to me. Okay, and I'll just click on apply. Then again add modifier, subdivision surface, and here you can just make it 2 as well. And yeah, this looks okay to me. So yeah, looks much better now. And then just click on apply. Then you can just go to shading. Just scroll in. Let's just wait for my PC to catch up. Yeah, then I'll just click on this plus new button. Just give it a gray color. So I think it is 808080, and here I'll just make it metallic. Yeah, this looks okay to me. So yeah, here is our dustbin. If you want to increase or decrease the roughness as well, you can do that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.